In this video, we're going to be covering a breath technique to help you reduce stress and anxiety. My name is Zachary. I'm from Wuji Xuan Life Wellness and Spiritual Performance Center, results over image with spiritual practices. On this channel, we focus on building up body, mind, and spirit utilizing spiritual technologies. If you're new here, do subscribe to the channel below and check out our description box for more links to give you more information. Let's talk about the breath. The breath is a fundamental part of us all, and Qigong likes to say, work smarter, not harder, because if you're going to breathe, at least breathe to get more results. So how does Qigong do this? Well, it starts to add associations with the breath. This is what we call a breath metaphor. This is not unique to Qigong in any way. However, we will have unique associations with Qigong coming from Chinese culture. So let's start off with the most basic breath. Inhalation and exhalation. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Inhale fresh energy. Exhale old energy. All right. So with that, here is a rare treat that we're going to discuss in Qigong, the associations. So the nose is associated with heaven and yang. Why? Because the smell is associated with the nose, which is felt in terms of it is experienced, but it is not seen, just like energy. It's also physically closer up to the sky. The mouth is closer to the earth, and with that it is more yin. Furthermore, it actually works with food, which is on the earth. So it works with dense material things. So when we combine these associations together, we can say we are breathing in heavenly energy to rejuvenate us, and we are exhaling old stagnant energies which are hindering us physically. Let's do that together. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. This is a rather simple exercise, though extremely complex when we start layering more and more things to it. This is just a beginning technique. So practice this, a few times a week, if you can, ideally once a day, and you'll notice that the effects will keep increasing and multiplying onto themselves. So let's move on to the question of the day. Question of the day: what type of breathing techniques have you done to reduce stress and anxiety? This is a big thing that's happening around these days. So any techniques you have that you've practiced, what's your experience? Put them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear about that. Thank you for checking out the video today. If you haven't subscribed, do check out the video and all the playlists that we're going to be uploading onto the channel. So subscribe if you want all that. And until next time, Wuji Xuan Life Wellness and Spiritual Performance Center. Results over image with spiritual practices, focusing on building up body, mind, and spirit, utilizing spiritual technologies. We'll see you in the next video.